with confidence. When I got a little roll like hips and take my sip on it. Take a trip on it. When I got you can go slow. Wind it up all night. Baby, take your time. Let me know what I want. When you turn me around, what I want.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Wrapsesh.
And Danny.
No, I didn't even take it.
Vinyl Vixen and Slim Shetty. Doing another color change car reveal. This guy,
Another reveal.
This guy behind us, we haven't named it yet.
This is...
Maybe
well,
by the time we post it, we'll have a name for
yeah.
it. But it's a Mopar 392 Challenger, something like that. And it was red before.
It was red.
And we're basically doing a whole big transformation. It's a two-tone color change.
Yeah, two-tone with satin black and the yellow, 3M yellows. Was it lemon sting?
We used 3M satin bitter yellow.
Bitter yellow.
And Cheetah wrap satin black.
And then there's some embossments.
There's some extra
in the underlays, overlays. Yeah. So
well,
it's a pretty good little project.
Yeah,
and then we're doing, we drilled some hood pins, and then
we're mounting aftermarket fender flares. We're doing a lot of things on it.
Yeah.
So it's quite a transformation.
Yeah.
Anyways, check it out. We hope you enjoy.
In my soul, in my soul, in my soul, in my soul, I feel so alive. I feel so alive. I feel so alive. In my soul, in my soul, in my soul, in my soul, I feel so alive. I feel so alive. I feel so alive. In my soul, 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 in my soul. I feel so alive.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed our episode this week on this awesome 392 Challenger wrap for AZ Outlaws. We love you to the moon and back.
That way.
If you guys want to go above and beyond with a color change, custom wrap, paint protection, you name it, we probably do it. Hit us up at wrapseshaz@gmail.com. If you guys want to keep up with the daily fun, you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and of course YouTube. And okay, bye.
We'll see you guys.
I think I got everything. Okay, bye.